Switching clubs? And she's getting it out of the sand into the rough.
The rough.
Hey, look at me. Mar, look. Show me your forehand. Do you know how to play tennis? Let's see your forehand. Because you're going to be playing the forehand. I'm playing backhand.
Forehand?
Good shot. Let's see that again. Let's see how you swing that club. That racket. No, no more TV.
What we can do?
We can play.
No, we cannot play.
You can't play?
Yeah.
You don't like playing? What kid doesn't like playing?
I don't like play.
Alright, you don't want to play golf then?
No. Well, we can do something else. We can do something else.
Like what?
No. We can do the car. We can do the car room. Mommy, the baby on here. Is the baby on here? Baby girl. Mommy.
What are you doing? Ow. Mar, stop.